Hey everyone, Couch Investor here with another video for you today. Today we're going to talk about a very popular stock on the channel and actually in the world right now. It's called Square. I've made 2 videos already about this topic, so if you want to go more in depth about it, go check them out. So in this video we're just going to go and talk about my opinion on the stock and why I'm extremely bullish on it. Before I begin, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out to grow the channel and get these videos out there to more and more people. And if you like the content, leave it a thumbs up. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, let's get started. So let me just explain in short what Square actually does and what it is. So for me, Square is basically giving people the economic empowerment that they did not necessarily have before. Now let's say you have a small business, you have a small restaurant, or you want to have an online presence. You can sign up on the Square website. We're going to go over the website in short in just a bit. Sign up and say what your business is, how many people. You can even create marketing plans. It helps you with payroll. You can even take loans if you need to. Obviously you need to get accepted into the program. Repayments for that loan are very easy. Now with Cash App, another reason why I'm extremely bullish is the Cash App. Monthly users have been on the rise, I think 60% year over year, almost at I think over 30 million monthly active users. It really grew now in this whole corona situation, quarantine situation, because actually you could have received your stimulus paycheck thanks to the Cash App. But going back to Square itself, basically, if you have a restaurant, you can create your whole menu on the Square ecosystem. Receipt can be printed automatically. If you're working with DoorDash, Uber Eats, or any other food delivery service, you can see everything that has been ordered automatically on the screen. It even prints out receipts automatically, so you have a really nice overview. Again, like I said, payroll, marketing, customer feedback, customer review, get in touch with the customers, all the financing, all the layout of your restaurant or just your business. You can even create a website to have an online e-commerce business if you want to. Square helps you out with that as well. I'll actually show you a 1-minute video that Square made explaining this whole create your own website and online e-commerce business. I think it's better that way. So see you all in a minute.
Square has helped millions sell in store and in person for pretty much everyone and anyone. Now it's time to grow your business online and share it with the world. With Square Online Store, pick your domain. That's nice. And don't waste time with all that code. Instead, design a beautiful online store fast. Brand it. Tweak it. So every image, every layout, every pixel is just how you want it to give your customers an experience they'll want to come back to and do business with. Orders, items, and inventory are all synced right from your first sale. With Square Online Store, you can make sure it's packed and shipped. Customers can even order online and pick up in store. And as your business grows and your followers become customers, your site stays consistent, making your customers happy and you very happy. Sell more coffee, more clothes, more cuts, more flowers, more masterpieces, more everything. Sell how you want to with Square. Start selling today with a free online store.
I know it's very similar to what Wix does. Wix also, you can create websites and then have an online shop on there as well. But for me, I think if you want to have an online shop, Square is the place to go because, well, Square is a financial service company. Wix is not. Wix is just a website creation company that, yes, you can implement some online e-commerce presence as well. But for me, Square wins in that segment, especially now with the whole situation working from home, online deliveries, curbside pickup, same thing can work with Square as well. Doesn't really matter, curbside pickup delivery, a restaurant, you can put on the options, only delivery, only pickup, deliveries and pickup. People can come, scan a code or show their order, they scan it, They come, their order is just there. Imagine just going to Starbucks, you ordered online, you go, it's just an example, I don't think Starbucks actually uses Square, because Square is more focused on small to medium business as of now. Obviously, if those small to medium businesses grow into large businesses, Square obviously continues with them in that roadmap. That was not the case at the beginning, but obviously they don't want to miss out on that huge growth as for those companies and as well for Square. So just imagine going to Starbucks, you ordered online your Frappuccino coffee, you come and you scan with your Cash App or whatever, you get your coffee and you just go away. Obviously that's with Starbucks, but let's say you're selling lemonade on your street, somebody comes, ordered online already on your custom-made website that you made with Square, comes, pick up, and that's it. You have your receipt, you have your digital receipt, so the customer can review you digitally. You can actually have a better customer relation with your customers. If maybe they will be coming back, maybe they will give you a bad review, maybe a good review, you know what to do, etc. So for me, the whole empowerment that Square gives to small and medium businesses is just extraordinary. And the more and more we go into an online world, more and more we go into, well, deliveries and all, I think Square is very well positioned as well with Cash App or the whole Square ecosystem as well. For me, not only the Cash App, which is going to be revolutionary for Square as a company, but will facilitate so many of people's lives just with payments. Instead of just going to the bank, everything is so slow in the bank, it costs so much. Everything will be you would be able to do on your Cash App. For example, let me talk a bit about Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Square, as well as Twitter. He's very open about, well, his praise for Bitcoin. Well, if you know, Bitcoin is supposed to be this digital currency that everybody's going to use in a couple of years, if not a decade or so. Because anyways, he says everything's going to be online, so there's going to be one online currency, and he thinks Bitcoin is going to be that currency. But besides that, the fact that he supports Bitcoin is basically a currency for people that don't like a currency that's been controlled by the all rich and almighty, or now as the government keeps on printing dollars, your actually value for a dollar is being reduced every day. With Bitcoin, it actually goes up every day that a dollar is being printed, because there's only 21 million Bitcoin that's going to be in the ecosystem. Now let's jump into some technical analysis and some graphs. All right, so let's take a look at the graph here. Technical analysis is basically just some ways to maybe predict what the stock might do next. You can create some support lines, some resistance lines. Obviously, I've made that with the yellow and the blue line right here, but that does not mean that the stock will do exactly what we think it will do. Basically, the stock was at $87 this year's high, $32, $33 at its lowest. It's made its way up to $76. A couple of days ago, it was at $80. So we could see the stock fluctuate around between $70 and $80 in the next couple of days. I've picked it up way before already. I've seen the highs, I've seen lows. A lot of people asked me when I released my previous videos, when it was here at its lowest point, what are you doing? Are you buying? Did you sell? What are you doing? Well, it's very clear. I'm long-term bullish on this stock. It was very low. I bought more. It was super cheap. I bought more. I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. If it goes back to this support line right here at $60, you can see it's a nice support line overall and nice buying on those prices as well. If it goes back to 60, I will be buying more. Again, another support line, it's a very mini support line, it's around $70 or so. So if today is going to be a bad day, we might get closer to that. If you want, you can pick up some more right there, but between 70 and 80, I don't think it's that attractive for me since I bought lower. But if you want to open a position, 70 is a nice one, 60 is an even better one, but we might not see that anytime soon, but you never know with this crazy market right here. But this is what the graph looks over in the last 2 years. We can see the highest point is $100, lowest point was 2 months ago, 33. So there's a lot of fluctuation in these kind of stocks, which can be sometimes nice to trade. But that's not how I invest. I don't like trading because I always get wrecked. So yeah, that will be basically it for this part of the video. Alright, that will be all for this video. If you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, maybe now's the time to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps me out, so why not? Anyways guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.